Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at adjectives ending in ed and ing. Let's get started. Adjectives ending in ed and ing. Complete list. When you add ed or ing to a verb, you can form adjectives. When you add ed or ing to a verb, you can form adjectives. Here are some examples to help you understand better. Here are some examples to help you understand better. Verb to interest. Verb to interest. Interested. Interested. Interesting. Interesting. Verb to tire. Verb to tire. Tired. Tired. Tiring. Tiring. Adjectives ending per ed are past participles. Adjectives ending per ed are past participles. They have a passive sense. The action is suffered. They have a passive sense. The action is suffered. Kevin is bored. Kevin is bored. I am frightened. I am frightened. Adjectives ending with ing are present participants. Adjectives ending with ing are present participants. They have an active sense. They produce a reaction. They have an active sense. They produce a reaction. The view is amazing. The view is amazing. Snakes are frightening. Snakes are frightening. The list of the most common English adjectives ending in ed and ing. Adjectives ending in ed. Adjectives ending in ing. Aggravated, aggravated, aggravating, aggravating. Alarm, alarm, alarming, alarming. Amazed, amazed, amazing, amazing. Amused, amused, amusing, amusing. Annoyed, annoyed, annoying, annoying. Astonished, astonished, astonishing, astonishing. Astounded, astounded, astounding, astounding. Bewildered, bewildered, bewildering, bewildering. Bored, bored, boring, boring. Captivated, captivated, captivating, captivating. Challenge, challenge, challenging, challenging. Charm, charm, charming, charming. Comforted, comforted, comforting, comforting. Concerned, concerned, concerning, concerning. Confused, confused, confusing, confusing. Convinced, convinced, convincing, convincing. Depressed, depressed, depressing, depressing. Devastated, devastated, devastating, devastating. Disappointed, disappointed, disappointing, disappointing. Discourage, discourage, discouraging, discouraging. Disgusted, disgusted, disgusting, disgusting. Distressed, distressed, distressing, distressing. Disturb, disturb, disturbing, disturbing. Embarrassed, embarrassed, embarrassing, embarrassing. Enchanted, enchanted, enchanting, enchanting. Encourage, encourage, encouragement, encouragement. Energized, energized, energizing, energizing. Entertained, entertained, entertaining, entertaining, exasperated, exasperated, exasperating, exasperating, excited, excited, exciting, exciting, exhausted, exhausted, exhausting, exhausting, fascinated, fascinated, fascinating, fascinating, fluttered, fluttered, fluttering, fluttering, frightened, frightened, frightening, frightening, frustrated, frustrated, frustrating, frustrating, fulfilled, fulfilled, fulfilling, fulfilling, gratified, gratified, gratifying, gratifying, humiliated, humiliated, humiliating, humiliating, horrified, horrified, horrifying, horrifying, inspired, inspired, inspiring, inspiring, insulted, insulted, insulting, insulting, interested, interested, interesting, interesting, intrigue, intrigue, intriguing, intriguing, irritated, irritated, irritating, irritating, move, move, moving, moving, mystified, mystified, mystifying, mystifying, overwhelmed, overwhelmed, overwhelming, overwhelming, perplexed, perplexed, perplexing, perplexing, perturb, perturb, perturbing, perturbing, pleased, pleased, pleasing, pleasing, puzzled, puzzled, puzzling, puzzling, relax, relax, relaxing, relaxing, satisfied, satisfied, satisfying, satisfying, shock, shock, shocking, shocking, sickened, sickened, sickening, sickening, soothe, soothe, soothing, soothing, surprised, surprised, surprising, surprising, tempted, tempted, tempting, tempting, terrified, terrified, terrifying, terrifying, threatened, threatened, threatening, threatening, thrilled, thrilled, thrilling, thrilling, tired, tired, tiring, tiring, touch, touch, touching, touching, troubled, troubled, troubling, troubling, unnerve, unnerve, unnerving, unnerving, unsettled, unsettled, unsettling, unsettling, worried, worried, worrying, worrying. So there you guys. This video answer about adjectives ending in ed and ing. Thanks for watching.